Good morning everyone. In this tutorial I want to show you how to create Java project for beginners step by step with code. Basically, in my first tutorial I want to show you the structure of my project. This is my project frame review, and in my project I have kept a combo box and I have kept a title. This title name is Basic Data Communication Live Code Implementation. In header portion I have kept a combo box. That means you can select an item what you want to operation, and then I have kept two input portion, one is flag and two output portion. This output portion will show what type of operation you want to calculate, and this portion will give you the exact result, and those are individual button. In this individual button you can calculate the value what you want to calculate. This bit stuffing, Hamming distance, parity check, calculate, reset. This calculate and reset calculate button will work for all problems. In calculate button you can click and get the value what you want to calculate. In reset button all portion will be null for input. I have kept two images. One is my university logo and another is my department logo. Now I will show you the operation of my project. So let's go in NetBeans, then click OK. This is my project, and first time I will do reset, then select an item. Of course, first time I will show you Hamming distance. One or like this, what do you want to this portion 10 10 11 001. This value is not mandatory. If you change it, you can't change it. This flag, then click Hamming distance or calculate. These two buttons will work, but this button will not work. If you click Hamming distance, finally you will get the result. Hamming distance 3. Why? 1 1 is same, 0 0 is same, 1 1 is same, 0 0 is same, 1 1 is same, 1 1 is same, 0 1 is different, 1 0 is different, 0 1 is different. The total difference position is 3. So Hamming distance is 3. Now go to next operation. In next operation is parity check. In parity check reset, you must need integer numbers like 85, then calculate. Yes, 85 binary is 1010101, output parity, and it is even parity. Why? Because the total number of 1 is even, so it is even parity. Now go to next operation, reset. Next operation is bit stuffing. In bit stuffing, I know that you are cleared about bit stuffing. In bit stuffing, in first input you need to put a value like 10 11 11 11 0 11. This is flag button. You can give any number like 10 11 01. Now if you calculate or bit stuffing, I will calculate bit stuffing. Yes, this is our result. Now go to next step. Next step is bit destuffing. Bit destuffing means the reversing process of bit stuffing. Okay, so 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 1. Flag is 1 1 1 1. Then calculate. Yes, this is our result. So reset, then go another option, character stuffing. In this portion you must need a string like SOJIB, my name, flag is SOS, and this input what you want to stuff, which character you want to stuff. I want to stuff J. Okay, J. Then calculate. Okay, this is our result. Character stuffing. Okay, go to the next step. In next step, character de-stuffing. Reset. If you put the string SOJKIB, flag is SOS, and I want to remove K. Then click calculate. Wow! Wait till update again. This option will work after next update. We are trying to add this button in future. Thank you.